Ladies, this video is for you. All ladies actually should watch this video to the end to know and to get insight of all about this health video. Now, why ladies should stop washing their vagina with a soap? Are you ready? Do you wash your vagina with a soap? Then this is why you should stop completely. This is why you should stop completely. Don't use a soap, and this is the reason to why you should stop it. One, you are actually killing the good bacteria. There are those bacteria that are down there on your vagina. They're just good to be there. The lactobacillus. The soap destroys these lactobacillus that actually protect your vagina. Stop washing your vagina with a soap. You are killing the good bacteria that are protecting your vagina. You know, the other thing that to why you should stop washing your vagina with a soap is actually you are causing the alteration of the pH balancing. You know, the pH down there in the vagina is actually being altered, and if you alter the pH, you know, you're more likely to experience some kind of discharge, infection, some itchiness that will make you to seek medical attention. You know, you pay a lot of money to get treated of something that you have caused. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, there's a lot of things that you are missing. I just invite you to subscribe. Take your time and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You know, like this kind of video, comment, and also just share the information. When you share, you actually care. Number 3, as to why you're not supposed to wash your vagina with a soap as a lady, it's actually simple. It's because you are causing dryness. You are causing dryness and irritation to yourself. Yes, you are causing dryness and irritation to yourself. You know, the soap just actually what it does, what it does to your body is actually makes you not to become natural. It actually become irritative due to even the pH balancing to your body, and you'll start itching yourself. You start becoming so itchy, so dry. Even when having sex, it'll become so painful for you. So it's not making that thing to be, you know, somehow natural. It's actually making you to have alteration of the pH balance, leading to irritation and the dryness of your vagina. The other thing, you are increasing your chances of getting the bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, you are the one that is causing that through washing your vagina with a soap. Can you avoid using this soap? It's actually causing a lot of irritation. It's actually causing a lot of infection down there. You should actually stop using it. The vagina actually cleans itself naturally, and therefore you should actually not clean it with just a soap. Just use clean water, wash the outer, you know, of the vagina, which is the vulva, and that's okay with you, because naturally it will clean itself. Why are you using a lot of energy, you know, washing something that itself can clean naturally? You know, you should not even use a lot of energy there. Just use clean water to wash the outer part of your vagina, but the inner part of your vagina, just it will do it naturally. It will lead itself naturally. So stop using the soap for washing your vagina. Bear in mind of these various reasons I've mentioned, and avoiding causing a lot of harm to your body. If you find this video so helpful, kindly share. Just leave a comment. Let me know if you have been using water for washing your vagina, or you have been using a soap that has left you with a lot of infections, that has made you to visit gynecologists, has made you to visit the hospital many times for treatment of infections that you've been causing by yourself.